Now, if you want to see how this domain is performing overall over time instead of individual keywords, you can see that in the domain overview section. You can navigate there in your SEO toolkit on the left. Enter your domain name and click search. And here you can see at a high level the standings for both your AI search visibility and traditional SEO visibility. If you scroll down, you can see traffic by type over time, and you can toggle between how you're doing an AI search and Google search in both your distribution by country and your cited sources, branded versus non-branded. This gives you the big picture at a glance. Brightland's traffic has been declining, and that's exactly the kind of trend you want to catch early on and reverse. Now, this AI search and AI visibility is what makes Semrush One different from anything else out there. It tracks how your brand appears in AI-generated answers across ChatGPT, Google AI Overviews, Google AI Mode, Perplexity, and Gemini. You can see your AI visibility score, how you compare to competitors, and which prompts mention you.